Dr. Sarah, tell us about the Nutrivore90.
Nutrivore90 is a free 90-day nutrition challenge designed to turn nutrient-dense eating into second nature, not through restriction, but through habit building. It starts May 5th, and you can sign up by going to Nutrivore.com and tapping on Nutrivore90. The fact is that most people don't struggle knowing what to do. They struggle with doing it consistently. And contrary to what diet culture teaches us, consistency doesn't come from restriction or willpower or food rules. It comes from habits. And that's why Nutrivore90 is a habit-centered challenge. We'll ease in gently, prioritize self-compassion, and build momentum with small, practical goals rooted in the Nutrivore philosophy, getting all of the nutrients our bodies need from the foods we eat without engaging in restrictive diet mindset. We're building the foundation for healthy eating patterns as a lifelong habits, layering a new nutrition or mindset focus each week, so we build lasting habits step by step. Now, Nutrivore90 is unlike any nutrition challenge out there. It's completely flexible, it's gentle, it's nutrient focused, and it's built on the science of habit formation. So rather than a short-term diet overhaul, these healthy eating changes stick. So the habits you'll be working on during the Nutrivore90 aren't a secret. We'll be working on getting more vegetables and fruits into our daily diets, crafting nutrient-dense and balanced meals, and practicing a non-restrictive mindset when it comes to food. Simple goals, but for those of us who have been steeped in diet culture for years or decades, these fundamental healthy eating patterns are actually really hard to stick to long-term. I would say that most diets work against our ability to develop these core habits that support lifelong health, instead setting us up to fail by magnifying our feelings of deprivation and driving a yo-yo cycle. With Nutrivore90, we're looking to develop sustainable nutrition, an overall healthy diet that fits our diet values, our food preferences, our budget, and our time and energy to prepare meals, and which leaves us feeling full, nourished, and satisfied. So how do we accomplish that? Every Monday during the challenge, you'll receive an email with everything you need to build habits that stick. So each week, you'll focus on one small, sustainable habit. You'll receive a downloadable PDF guide every week of the challenge. So you get 15 in all, each one packed with tips, tools, and encouragement to help you stay consistent and motivated. You'll receive simple action steps, a weekly journal prompt to build self-awareness and address mindset challenges, and the opportunity to connect with a growing and supportive Nutrivore90 community online. Instead of rules, you get tools. Instead of shame, you get strategy. And instead of perfection, you get progress. By the end of this challenge, you won't just understand what a healthy diet looks like, you'll be living it with confidence and consistency. Yes, Nutrivore90 is completely free. No expensive foods or supplements to buy, no hidden fees, and no costly next step programs. Just the education, tools, and encouragement you need to make lasting change. The Nutrivore90 Group Nutrition Challenge starts May 5th. Again, you can sign up by going to Nutrivore.com and tapping on Nutrivore90. And if you happen to be watching this video after we've started, no worries, you can catch up with the group challenge anytime up to May 25th, or if it's after that date, you can sign up for the next group starting September 1st.